Well, okay, this might actually work. So I've been messing around with virtual machines and old retro Windows the last sort of couple of days. And though Windows Me, which I did a previous upload on, does include the Windows Movie Maker, the first Movie Maker, it's actually the Windows that introduced it. So for all its errors, all its problems, it did introduce Movie Maker, which was great fun back in the day. The next version of it, which came on Windows XP, which is why I've done this virtual machine, is better and has things like auto edit and all sorts. So what I've done, because I can't plug my camcorder into, how's that worked? Oh, it's even detected the scenes. My God, it has worked properly. So this has been a success. Couldn't plug in the camcorders like I would have done for the retro feels back in the day, because this is a virtual machine that unfortunately won't understand, though if it was USB it would. It won't understand FireWire with all its connection adapters and stuff that Apple have to use on the Mac these days. So yeah, so what I've done is I've converted the video file that I captured on my Mac, as I always do. I've converted that in a video converter to make these videos from a MOV file to an MWV, Windows Movie Maker, or whatever it is, file type. And yeah, I'm just checking. It has, the fact that there's snapshots here indicates it's probably worked. Let's press play.
And then I'll be digitizing this.
Yes, it has. So nice. Okay, I'm gonna have a mix around with this, a bit of fun. But yeah, this has worked. So if you want to use Windows Movie Maker in 2023 and you don't have an old laptop, but you do have a good enough computer, I mean, it doesn't have to be that powerful. That's what I'm saying. You can do a virtual machine of XP, I'd recommend, and then you get the better Movie Maker, the newer version, which I can tell you by actually looking help about. And that's the version number. So 5.2. So this is a better one. It has the things like text edit and stuff like that, and I remember using it loads back in the day, and transitions and stuff, so it was much more advanced than the original Movie Maker. But yeah, now I can have a bit of a play around on this, and then I can obviously save the file as whatever, and I could potentially upload stuff that way, but well, once the file's edited on here. But yeah, just a bit of fun really, but yeah, nice way of doing it, getting that retro feel and using Windows Movie Maker properly again in 2023.